being groomed by no less than Team Lakay legend Edward Fulayang and Kevin Belingon. Galera went up against Guzman Piayas of Baguio Top Team. The Lakays are known for their dominance on the ground, and Galera quickly showed why. He scored his second URCC victory via armbar submission, sending Piayas tapping out at 1 minute 27 seconds into the fight. But the super fight between Team Lakay warriors Ray the Punisher Dokyogen and Rodel the Kid Orais of Grapplers MMA really had everyone on the edge of their seats. Both were undefeated coming into the ring. Dokyogen is the undefeated URCC pinweight champ who has racked up 9 wins in his MMA career. Orais, on the other hand, has posted 5 wins and no loss. The catch weight was at 125, but Orais has a clear advantage in reach and height. As soon as the fight began, the veteran Dokyogen used his shortness to full advantage. He turned it into easy leverage to execute a textbook hip throw that brought Orais crashing down to the canvas, not once, but twice. Orais tried to keep the fight on their feet, knowing that the Lakay fighter was stronger down on the mat. But Dokyogen crashed his game plan. In the end, he took the super fight belt home after sending Orais tapping out to the Kimura, scoring his 10th URCC victory.
Third ko muna siya sa striking, pero medyo talagang malakas siya, pero kaya medyo tinik-down ko siya ulit. Doon ako, sa Kimura.